Now, I believe most of us have used Google before. Now, I mean Google just like this. But the question is, do you know that you can actually use Google and make a lot of money online? Yes, that's right. But for most people, they are just using Google for some random searches. And they are not getting paid any money for doing that. But there are a small group of people who are taking advantage of this brand new opportunity of this Google trick. And they have been making a lot of money online. But this is not our fault because we don't know about the secret because they never share this with us. But don't worry because I got you covered. In this video, I'll be revealing the secret and I'll be teaching you everything step by step for absolutely free. And by using this Google trick, you can make a lot of money online from anywhere in the world. This is gonna be a very simple method that you absolutely love it. And before we go into the video, can you please do me a quick favor? Can you please go down below and like this video? That means a lot to me and I truly appreciate that, and you're absolutely amazing. And by the way, can you see this red button down below? Just go ahead and smash on that subscribe button right now. And I have 2 YouTube channels where I post new money making videos every single day. So feel free to subscribe and turn on all the notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when I release a brand new video. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So first of all, I want you to go on to google.com as you can see here, and I want you to go ahead and type in a keyword which is MySumo. Okay, MySumo, and I want you to press on the search button. So right over here on the first link, you're gonna see here www.mysumo.com, and I want you to click on this link, and that's gonna take you to the homepage of this website which is mysumo.com, and that's gonna be the website that we are going to be using and combined with using Google, and then we can make a lot of money online. So right now, I want to show you the earning potential of this website. Take a look at this, $20,000 US, and over here $1,600 US, and right here $800. Now when I scroll down below, there are literally unlimited opportunities where you can use this Google trick and you can make hundreds if not thousands of dollars over and over again. Now I want you to take a look at this guy right here who get paid $111, and over here Brian, he get paid as well. Aiden, Sophie, Paula, people from all over the world from different countries, they're getting paid on this website every single day. And all you need is just a simple Google trick and you can start making money on this website. As you can see here, MySumo is definitely a legit website. They've been partnering up with some of the biggest brands online. For example, Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Nestle, Microsoft, Spotify. All of these famous company and top brands, they are the customers of MySumo.com. So right now, first of all, I want to show you how to sign up for a free account. Once you go onto the homepage of MySumo.com, I want you to go ahead and click on this button right here where you can share your idea and earn cash. I am a problem solver. And that's gonna take you to this page as you can see here, and I want you to click on this button on top, login or sign up. Click on this, and then this is where you can sign up for a free account. I want you to click on this link right here. Don't have an account yet, click on this link, and then you're gonna come over to this page as you can see here, solver registration. So right now you're gonna put in your first name, your last name, and also your location. So make sure you put in your email address right here and also your password, and choose on this one right here to pick your birth date. And for the gender, you just have to click on this down arrow here and just pick on one of these. And right now, very important, you have to rate yourself in the following skill areas, right? There are total of 3 different skills, which is creativity, marketing, and also technical skills. So right over here, I'll recommend you to choose on which is above average proficiency. As you can see here, above average. I'll just choose on above average proficiency for 3 of these skills. So when you scroll down below here, make sure you at least tick on this one right here, which is I've read and accept the terms of condition and also privacy policy, and tick on this one right here, I'm not a robot, and you can just go in and click on this blue sign up button. So once you log in into your account, you can see there are many different projects and challenges which you can join and make a lot of money online. So on the last section here, you can see there are many different categories. For example, business, engineering, computer science, food science, and so on. So right now, I want you to focus on this brand new category, which is computer science, and I want you to go ahead and click on this link. So once you click on that link, they're gonna filter up and show you all the projects and challenges about computer science that's gonna pay you the highest amount of money. So say for example, this project right here, which is how can AI technology help us write right? As you can see here, $1,600. So all you have to do, just go ahead and click on this link, and then you're gonna come over to this page as you can see here, where they're gonna ask you this question: how can AI technology help us to write? So right now you can actually submit an answer or an articles, and then you can get paid by doing that. As you can see here, there are so many people who are doing it right now. There are over 90 submissions, and these are all the people who get paid by submitting an answer on this website. As you can see here, some of them they get paid $28, some of them they get paid up to $100 $111. And you can do the exact same thing as well by using a simple Google trick. So right now I want you to go back to google.com and I want you to search in this keyword, which is Google Docs. And then as you can see here, you're gonna see the first link right here, Google Docs free online document. And I want you to click on this link, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you have to click on this one, go to Google Docs. Click on this blue button right here, and then you're gonna come on to this page where you can start a new document. And I want you to go in and click on this blank page right here. That's gonna take you to this page where you can start typing your answers on this Google document, and then you can actually submit this one and you can make money online. As you can see here, there are over 90 submissions right now, and by submitting a Google document, by submitting your answer to this question right here, you can actually make a lot of money online. Don't worry, this is gonna be a very simple method and I want you to keep watching. So right now I want you to go back to mysumo.com and I want you to highlight this question right here, and I want you to go ahead and copy this keyword, and then we're gonna go back to Google. And all we have to do is just paste our keyword right here on Google, and I want you to press on the search button. And as you can see here, Google will help us to find the answer to this question. Say for example, the first website right here from Quora.com. How can AI technology help us to write? And we can just go in and click on this link, and that's gonna take us to Quora.com. As you can see here, where people posting different questions and answers. And hopefully we can find a good answer for this question so that we can actually submit and make money online. So say for example, this girl right here, Priya Sharma, she actually written a pretty good answer that we can actually use. So as you can see here, she even given us the bullet point answer. So all we have to do is just go ahead and highlight this right here, and we can just go ahead and copy, and we can just go back to our Google Docs, and then we're gonna paste our answer right here. Just click on paste, and then we're just gonna leave it here. So right now when we go back to Google, we're gonna look for different answers that we can actually combine, and then we can submit and make money. Say for example, when I scroll down below, I've actually found this website, which is thenextweb.com. Right, the title is How Artificial Intelligence Will Impact Professional Writing, and I just go ahead and click on this link. So that's gonna take us to this website. As you can see here, when I scroll down below, I'll try to look for an answer for this question. So as you can see here, smart proofreading, that's exactly the answer which I'm looking for, and they even give me the entire paragraph and also the answer for this question. Now when I scroll down below here, I can look for the second point, which is quicker scanning of written documents. Look at this, these are all the articles, these are all the answers that we have been looking for, and we can combine all of these points and we can just put it into our Google Docs, and then we can submit and actually make money on this challenge. So real quick, I'll just go ahead and highlight this point right here. I'll go ahead and highlight and click on copy. Now just go ahead and go back to my Google Docs and I'll paste my answer right here. As you can see here, this is really a professional answer that I can submit on mysumo.com. So again, I'll go back to this website and I'll scroll down below and look for the second point, which is right here, and I'll go ahead and highlight everything once again. And I'll just go ahead and click on copy, and I'll go back to my Google Docs once again. I press on the enter, and I'll go ahead and paste on my second answer right again on my Google Docs. And this is actually pretty simple, and I repeat this one over and over again and get all the answers on this website, and just paste everything on this Google Doc. So right now, very important, I want to give you a bonus tip, is that make sure you change the title of this Google Doc to My Sumo Challenge. Okay, My Sumo Challenge, and then you're gonna put in the title of the question. So right now we're gonna go back to mysumo.com, and then we're gonna copy the question right here. Click on copy, and then we're gonna back here and actually paste the question right here as the title. So right now I'm gonna delete this answer right here because I found a better answer, as you can see here. So right now we're gonna go ahead and copy the entire titles of this Google document, and then we're gonna paste it right here on Google Docs, and then we're gonna make the font size larger. As you can see here, I'm gonna make it 24 so that it looks larger. So I'm gonna put it at the center of this document. So right now I'm gonna put a little spacing down below and put on this as point number 1. As you can see here, point 1 is actually smart proofreading, and I put on a space right here, and this is the explanation of point number 1. And right here I put in here point number 2, as you can see here, and this is the explanation of point number 2. Now when I scroll down below here, this is the point 3 which I gotten on the website, and this is the explanation on point 3. As you can see here, this entire very professional articles that you can get for absolutely free by simply using the Google trick. So right now I'll make it a little bit more tidy and more professional. I'll change the font type into Arial, as you can see here, and I just go and change the color to black color, and that's gonna make a very good answers that we can actually submit. Now once you've finished designing your answer, you can just go and click on file, and then right here you can see download. Now make sure you choose on, as you can see here, PDF document. You can just click on this link right here. As you can see here, I'll download this on my computer, and again you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer, it doesn't even matter. So right now, as you can see here, this is a very professional My Sumo Challenge answer that you can just actually submit, and that's where you can start making making money just like this one right here. And that's exactly how all of these guys are taking advantage of this new Google trick and making money online on mysumo.com. And again, there are plenty of different challenges and projects which you can join. Say for example, this one $20,000, this one $800, this one $1,600. So that's exactly how you can use Google searches and using this Google trick to make money online. So if you think that today's method is too difficult and you want an easier way to make money online and generate passive income from home, you can check out the first link down in the video description. That's my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online right now on a budget. So click on the first link down below, click on this link right here and put in your email address, and I send you over all the details into your email inbox. If you enjoy watching, please like this video and share this out with your friend, and also don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels right here. And right over here you can see there are more videos and playlists that can help you to make even more money online. So go ahead and check it out right now. Just click on one of these videos and watch it right now on YouTube, and you can learn more ways to make money online, and I'll see you on the next one.